How to disassemble RadioLink A560. 1. Remove the battery. 2. Disassemble the propeller. 3. The landing gear. 'Push it in opposite directions and then push it outward. 4. Disassemble the vane. You need to disassemble the aileron drawbars first. Use the screwdriver. Insert the screwdriver in the middle and then pry it. Insert and pry. Rotate the 4 buttons 90 degrees and remove them. Remove the slotted fuselage vane. And also the wing. Five, disassemble the 2 tail support rods. Also use a screwdriver to disassemble it. Insert the wing back. Disassembly is done. Now put all parts into the package. Put the A560 fuselage in the bottom. Put on the foam. Then put all the accessories into the bag. Put in TOS transmitter, battery, landing gear, accessory bag and charger, propellers, back shoulder strap, pay attention, there are 2 rudder angles on the wing. Align the 2 rudder angles with the 2 holes on the foam. Put the wing on the top. And the disassembly and packing is done.